Shalom everyone, I hope you are doing amazing wherever you are. I have important announcements, so pay attention. We're going to do it as fast as possible. First of all, I am starting my tour in the United States, so next week, next Thursday, which is August 6th, I'm going to have a big lecture in Queens, New York, and on Tuesday, August 4th, in Brooklyn, New York, and right now we're working also on Wednesday the 5th. So we have 3 amazing lectures in New York, amazing topics. Go to atzmut.org/tour and you will find all the information you need to know about these lectures. This week, I have a lecture coming up this coming Thursday in Denver. It's going to be in Hebrew on Thursday, which is going to be July 30th. And on Sunday, August 2nd, there's going to be a lecture in the morning, also in Denver, and that one is going to be in English. All the lectures are going to be broadcasted live on my YouTube. My recommendation is either to locate the day of the lecture and the hour, and just to go to my YouTube, go to the tab where it says live, and you'll find the lecture over there. Lectures will go live right away on YouTube. You can also join WhatsApp groups. You can follow us on all the social media. That's where we're going to post the links. But just know that the hour that the lecture is scheduled, that's when the live is going to start. And I highly recommend for you to log into all these classes. They're going to be amazing topics right before Elul. Don't miss out. All the information is on atzmut.org/tour. We're updating the page all the time, so could be that in the next 24 hours, some of the information will be missing, but keep on going to the pages, follow us on all the social media. You don't want to miss out all these lectures. Of course, they're all going to be recorded and posted on YouTube. Next lecture is tomorrow, and as you notice, I'm going backwards because I'm keeping the best for last. Lecture tomorrow is going to be in Las Vegas, 6:30 p.m. in Henderson, also going to be broadcasted live. This one I do not recommend for you to miss. Try to see the live one. If you're in Vegas, come over. It's in Henderson. It's free. It's going to be amazing. We're going to pray. We're going to learn. We're going to schmooze. It's going to be amazing. And for the ones of you who are logging in, why do you need to log in? Because tomorrow, and actually tonight, that's really the main announcements that I wanted to talk about, is tonight is Tu B'Av. Tu B'Av is one of the most powerful days on the Jewish calendar, to a point that our sages said that the best, most joyous days to the nation of Israel is Yom Kippur and Tu B'Av. Tu B'Av originally was supposed to be the day that Mashiach was supposed to come. And you know the story with the spies. Moshe sent the spies. They went there for 40 days to Eretz Israel. If they would come with good news and they would say the land is great, then they would go in and conquer the land, and Moshe Rabbeinu would be Mashiach, and it's a very, very, very powerful day. Now, I don't want to waste the time of this video about explaining about this powerful day. So, as usual, I have a page on my website, atzmut.org /the 15th of Av. The links are underneath this video. Go to this page. First of all, if you scroll all the way down, you'll find 3 videos there, 3 classes that are a must to watch. Take the time, watch them, get educated, because this day comes once a year. Not every, it's such a powerful day. I can't even stress how powerful it is. That's why I'm keeping it short, and I'm sending you to the 3 videos that you will find on my page, and you must watch them, get educated, and see how powerful, first of all, the significance of the day, and it's not only about finding your other half. So tomorrow is going to be the first lecture of my tour. Powerful, powerful lecture where I'm going to talk about so many different things, including Tu B'Av. And most of all, the topic would be about how to deal with all the little challenges, and why God is challenging us, and why do we need to suffer, and why our plans don't always work, and why we pray and it doesn't work. Don't miss out this lecture. But beyond that, I'm going to also give the instructions of what to do, why, how on Tu B'Av. And Tu B'Av, the Ben Ish Chai says that on this day, you can remove all harsh judgments, like Yom Kippur, the most powerful day to do tshuva, a day to sweeten all judgments, a day to pray for everything that you need, specifically your other half, which I explain on the videos why, and specifically for your livelihood, for your parnasa and your success. And it's a day of what's called Kriyat Yam Suf, tearing the ocean. I'm telling you, you do not want to miss this day. So 2 things that you need to focus on right away. First of all, make sure that tomorrow, Wednesday, July, it's going to be July 29, 6:30 p.m. Las Vegas time. Log into the live lecture and watch the live lecture where I'm going to give all the information you need to know. But the second thing you need to do before the lecture, because tonight starts Tu B'Av. Go to my page that I mentioned at smooth.org/15th of Av, and you'll find there, first of all the instructions of what you need to do today and tomorrow. There are prayers to say, Tehillim to recite, some tonight, some tomorrow. It might look long to some of you, but I'm telling you, this is the day, because we have now a month and a half before Rosh Hashanah. From today, everything shifts from negative to positive. The first 2 weeks of the month of Av are very negative, strong judgments. We have Tisha B'Av and all the destruction. From 15th of Av, everything switches, which means today it starts, and we have we have a month and a half before Rosh Hashanah. That's what I'm saying. I don't want to make this video long. Listen to the lecture tomorrow. Trust me, it will solve most of your problems. You will thank me later. Trust me. So tonight already, go to the webpage and go over all the instructions. Read the prayers at the right time when it needs to be read. Everything is instructed on this page. And another important thing, every year we do that. We do a campaign of prayers from Tu B'Av till Rosh Hashanah, where me, and not only me, my students and helpers, I call them my students, we all pray, mention your names in holy graves in Israel. I pray. We do special prayers all the way to Rosh Hashanah. And I'm going to explain tomorrow in the lecture what is the significance of doing certain things from Tu B'Av till Rosh Hashanah. So I don't want to make this video long. I'm going to explain about it in depth tomorrow in the lecture. Go and watch it. Even if you think you're late, you're never late. But go to the webpage and select which prayers you want to participate in. We have special prayers for single people, because Tu B'Av is Chag Ahava, the time where the single people can pray and hopefully find their other half. And we had amazing success in the past with the campaigns that we did. And also for Parnasa, for your livelihood and success in everything that you struggle with in the physical world. So we have 2 types of campaigns. Go to the webpage, look at the campaigns, what suits for you. We have amazing offers this year, and a surprise tomorrow, something very, very special that I'm going to announce on the live lecture. So I'm telling you, I don't miss out. Don't look at this video 3 days later and say, I should have. I'm telling you, it's a very significant turning point that you can do a little bit of action and a huge change mystically, and I'm going to explain everything in tomorrow's video. So, and by the way, in the campaigns, you submit your names. Me and my crew, we pray for you in holy places. I pray for you. 40 days we pray, and we do it all the way to Rosh Hashanah. It's very, very powerful, and I'm going to explain tomorrow all the significance. But already get your place, because spots are limited. I can't, pray for thousands and thousands of people. And make sure you're logging into the live lecture tonight. Share this video with all your loved ones, people that live in the locations where I'm going to be. I'm also going to be in Miami in the end of August and the beginning of September. I'll let you know about that another time. All the information on the tour is on atzmut.org/tour. All the information on Tu B'Av is on atzmut.org/15th of Av. Go read the instructions, do it. It's starting. For me, I'm in the West Coast, in Israel, in the West Coast, it's already started. Don't miss out. Do the prayers, do all the instructions. I'm going to elaborate on everything tomorrow, and trust me, you don't want to let this powerful, powerful day go. More instructions are coming. Log on to the video tomorrow. Love you. Hope to see you live in one of the locations. Chag Sameach, happy Tu B'Av, and I'll see you in the next video.